In this video, I'll show you how you can invite someone to a server on Discord on the Discord app. Now it's very simple, but I'll show you how you can do it right now. So what you need to do is you need to open up Discord and then go to your servers, which is going to be the first one. It's going to be the Discord icon in the bottom left hand corner. Once you're there, you need to find the server that you want to invite someone to, and you can see I'm on my knowledge base server, and straight away you'll see under it the invite members button. So we can go ahead and click on that. It's then going to give us the option to invite our friends. Just straight away invite them by clicking the green button here. You can also invite people through a link, so you can click here, share link. It's then going to give you options to go ahead and share that link, including copying that link. You can post it to Facebook, Reddit, Twitter, or wherever. Now if you go and click on the settings icon next to the link, you can change some settings here. So you can get the link to expire after 1 day, 12 hours, you can give it no limit, or you can get the link to expire after a maximum amount of uses. So go ahead and change them if you want, click create link, and then go and share that link to whoever you want to invite on Discord.